Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't think I've done an update on the kitties. Nyla's doing fine. She's getting big. This was her first New Year, slash Christmas, and she got goodies. She's so cute. But y'all just see me taking notes. I was doing my basically like my bullet points for videos, bullet point organizing videos. I just basically like jot down a bunch of video ideas whenever I come up with ideas. In this case, I have a lot of ideas for the new year. So I have this page. I did this other page. That's full. That's full. So I'm super happy to be making content for you guys for the rest of the days ahead. And this is just basically a video on how I organize and write in my planner, because I got a new planner today. I had to run an errand and go to Dollar General before my boyfriend went to work, and I picked up, while I was there, I had to get like cat food and bottled water, and while I was there I picked up this 4-pack of gel pens. I was writing with the blue one. There's green, purple, and pink. And of course it's a new year, so we need a new planner. It says Live, Love, Bloom. And I thought it was super cute because it's a planner with stickers. So I may use these and do a video. If y'all want to see a video, the receipt from Dollar General fell out. On like a vision board or something like that, let me know in the comments down below. And then here's stickers, and they say like appointment, vacation, to-dos, holidays, don't forget, and like check marks. And then it says the first page, hello, this planner belongs to, I need to fill that out, your email, cell, home, and address. And so it is a new month, it is a new year, so you can just put like the month here and you just fill that out, and it's super cute. And then you turn here and you put goals, notes, and you just like write like each day. So for example, it's January. This is the calendar part, right? So it's Monday, January 4th. So I'd write January here, 4th here, which I'm about to do, the year, and then so you fill in the dates in the box. So there's your calendar, and then you can put notes here. And then all of these boxes for each day, you jot down like what you plan for the day. For example, I'll put in what videos I want to do for each day, and then you'll do that for each day until you get all the way to here, and then we'll be in the month of February, and we'll fill out the calendar, February 2021, and etc. And so that's how I would plan out and write in my planner. So I'm going to go ahead and put the month up here. I'm going to write in the month. I'm not going to put December in here because this is a fresh start to the new year. So I'm just going to write January. I think I want to use, what color do I want to use? For January, I think I want to use pink. There's purple, green, blue. Let's go with pink. No, let's use pink for February. Let's use blue for January. Okay. So, January. And then today is if you see me glance up here, I'm looking at my notes and my tablet. And it's Monday the 4th. And then I'll just write down like 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'll go over here, and for Monday, I'll jot down the title of my video, and on tomorrow, I need to, so for tomorrow, which is Tuesday, which is going to be the 5th, I need to take down the Christmas tree. I need to do laundry, take down Christmas tree. Comment below if y'all still have y'all's tree up. I usually get it down like New Year's. But we're just now getting it down. But that's okay. We all are human. We all get in a rut. I was battling a bad toothache. We're good now. So I need to take down the Christmas tree in the morning. I need to go do laundry. I need to plan a video. Like, I have the title. I'll probably write down the title here because I have lots of upcoming videos I want to make for you guys. Because I try to post daily content. If I miss a day, I do every other day. Because I want to get my views up. I want to get my subscribers up. I want to make a career out of it. I think my next video might be like 2021, like my resolutions, goals, things like that, but I'm not sure yet. It'll be one of the upcoming videos for January. And then I'm just going to put the year as 2021. And then also I need to make, in the morning I need to call, I've got to make my daughter an eye doctor's appointment. I need an eye doctor's appointment. She wants to get contacts. She wears eyeglasses like me, but she wants to get contacts. She's due for a dental cleaning, so I'll be writing that in my planner. But as right now, as far as I know, I'm going to just go ahead and fill out the dates. And I'm going to take all my bullet points of my videos and copy it onto here. And hopefully I'll have this all filled up. And I think it's really neat over here where you can put goals and notes. This is probably one of the neat. Usually I just get a notebook like this and I just make it into like a planner and organizer. And the next thing I want to get is a this is how I organize, and I'm going to stay, you know, all planned out for the year. But they had one, it was for like financial organization where you can write down, and they had like pockets on each of the months, and that's where I want to keep all of my receipts because I scan all my receipts on Fetch Rewards. And I want to get that to jot down each day of bills due, how much we spend, to budget money better. I would like to do that, which I could, for now, I'll probably add it in here. Like, for example, I also need to put in here, so yesterday, actually, I kind of messed up because we're not going to put the 4th here. So, the first, okay, so Sunday was the 3rd, Saturday was the 2nd, Friday was the 1st, so we need to go here, and we need to write 1, 2, 3, 4, and we just need to do that. And then I'm going to write New Year's, you don't have to write in this part, New Year's Day. And right here, I'm going to put 31st. It's just, I advise anybody to get a planner, organizer. It's so, like, I know there's apps and everything, but me visually looking at it and having it written down like this is just great for me and helps me stay better organized. And this was New Year's Eve, and like if I had that financial one, I would put like what we spent on, like we bought fireworks. It was like a buy one get one deal, because I want to show y'all how we because we do live on a budget, and I just want to do better at keeping up with all the financial stuff. So 31st, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and then I'll finish that 5th, 6th, 7th, and so on. And then over here, we'll just start with, I wrote on Tuesday, which it needs to be this Tuesday. So I'm just going to put an arrow. This stuff needs to go down here, and this is actually going to be blank. So I need to take down tree, take down decorations, plan video. Actually, I need to write record video. Record video for my channel. Also, I need to do cleaning. And I also need to do laundry. So that will go on here also. And so you just basically make out your calendar, put the year, and then over here you write what you have planned out for those days, or that's how I do it. And just having this in front of me is great. And like I said, it has at the back notes you can jot down, and those stickers are so cute at the beginning, like, because we plan on going on vacation soon, and, like one of these stickers says, get stuff done, I'm busy, love, note to self, vacation, important, get it done. I'm gonna peel the sticker, get it done, and put it on tomorrow's, because the tree needs to go down, you guys. It's gotta go. The tree has to go, okay? And I need to clean, and I need to get out of this rut, and I'm loving my ring light babe got me. Still making videos every day. I'm not going to give up on my YouTube. I love making videos. I think it's great. And yeah, so that's how I plan, organize. That's how I write my planner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys. Please give this video a like. Let's please get this video to 50 likes. And comment down below what other type of content you guys would like to see. And I will be back tomorrow with another video. I hope you all are having a fabulous start to your new year. And I will see you in my next one. Please subscribe. Bye, guys.